In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix camera missing from device manager and how we can fix this if you're having a trouble with the camera icon is completely missing or are not able to find it. This is what we have to do. So the first thing what we need to do is we have to close this over here. Now from here, navigate to the start and right click. And from here, you can try searching for the settings. Now from here, what we need to do is we have to navigate to the privacy and security. From here, what we need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the camera and we have to click on this. Now from here, make sure the camera access should be turned on and also make sure the let app access your camera should be turned on and also make sure the camera is given access here as well. And also if you scroll it down, make sure that you have to try open the let desktop access your camera should also be turned on. Once done, we have to go to the Windows update. And from here, make sure that you have updated the Windows to the latest version, which is very important. Or not, what you need to do is we have to, after updating the Windows, sometimes the issue can cause because of some drivers. So what you need to do is we have to go over here, click on advanced option. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go to optional updates. From here, what you need to do is we have to make sure that if you're having any kind of Windows update along with any driver update, you have to make sure that you put a check on all these two things and go for download and install and update your driver. Once done, we have to close this and we have to check. But still, if you're having the trouble, we just need to go over here and what you need to do is we just need to type CMD and make sure that you run this as an administrator and we have to go for yes. Now we need to type SFC, then put a space / go for scan now and what you need to do is we have to just press enter. Once done, keep in mind this is going to take a little bit of time. Once done, what happens is you have to keep in mind this is going to take a lot of time. And once it has taken a lot of time, just wait because what happens is if any kind of an issue is happening, it's going to repair from their end. So we have to wait for this. Afterwards, what you need to do is we have to minimize this. Let me do it. And you have to go over here, type here for device manager and you have to click on this. Now from here, try expanding this and go over here at the top and try you're able to see the camera icon here or not. And still, if it's not there, you have to click on action and go for over here. If you click on this, you'll be having an option here for checking the camera. If you click on this over here as well, there is an option called scan for hardware changes. You can do in this way or click on action and go for scan for hardware changes. For example, for some reasons, it might be visible. But for some users, it's not there. So click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. And afterwards, you have to check. And even after this, still if there is an issue with it, you have to try updating the driver. Sometimes it works fine. So go over here, try expanding. You have to click on this. Right click and go to update driver. Click on browse my computer for the drivers. Click on let me pick from available list of computers. And you have to select this and go for the next and you have to check with it. So these are the steps and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.